Hey, this is Matt with Flex Rental Solutions at InfoComm 2026. We're an inventory management software. We do online inventory, and we've got our system over here. What we do is we can track all of your equipment through the system. We can track asset depreciation. You can do quotes and invoices through the system. You can build speaker packages on your inventory here, where you can just drag and drop items right over to the quote, nice and easy. We've got employee tracking, freelance clients as well, and then on here you can go to individual users. You can set up their skills for freelance labor, so you can add these labor roles in. We have a Staffing Plus feature too that helps you monitor this labor on your production shows. On your quotes, you can see return on investment, profit markup and stuff. You can see dashboards in the system that allow you to see what kind of profit revenues you're working with. And then also in this, you can send out links directly for payment through our partner at PayEngine. So from my quote, I can send out an email to a customer. They can click that link, go to a secure site where they're going to make payment. And in my system too, I can also see every one of those individual transactions that's been sent out. I can see what its status is, if it's paid, if it's unpaid, and what the amounts are as well. So I can track all this from the system and be able to track my payments and keep track of all my inventory through this. You can do scheduled maintenance, you can do all sorts of great stuff through this system to help run your company in the AV industry. Yeah, our website is flexrentalsolutions.com. We do free demos of the system. We also do a free 30-day trial. Included in that trial is 4 free hour-long training sessions, as well as a free contact import, a free inventory import, and we're month to month. So you're always welcome to walk away because we know you'll be back.